We are in Jamaica, y'all.
You could put a pink wrap on there.
That's so freaking cute. Look at this bucket, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but
The girl on a mission.
green. What is that? Oh, I love this one. I like that too. But yeah, I like stuff like artsy and like unique. Sandy beans. That is so cute.
You look really pretty.
Where you see that?
Inside.
Oh. What's the problem?
I can't drive. You ain't seen that?
It is so freaking cute here. Me in my pajamas at 12 o'clock.
Make it.
Hey, you look so happy, yo.
Yeah,
It's important people also like what they drink. I love it.
So I'm gonna get the pretty pebble matcha.
She only has enough for one. We'll do a raffle for the self-care basket.
I will.
You gotta do logos.
Man.
Yes,
So
it is.
it's not, it's gonna happen. But I was in the middle of the road. You know, I was just like trying to.
Pretty good.
But they come also late. I mean,
Oh, that's what it's thrilling.
It's rising, guys. We are in Jamaica. We are in Jamaica, y'all. It looks like it, but we're not. We're not, but we are at the same time. He has literally brought Jamaica to his backyard. Like, what? Look at these papayas. Like, are you seeing this right now? These are the biggest papayas I've ever seen. Like, it's so beautiful and peaceful out here. Like, this is how I want my backyard to be. Just like, this is passion fruit, blueberries. He has all type of stuff out here. Tamarind. I believe this is mango. Another papaya tree. Banana trees. Coconut trees. Soursop. I don't remember what this is. But there's like so much stuff out here. There's an aki tree right there. Look at this tree. Like, what? You can feel the power from this tree. Moringa. Forgive me because I don't remember everything. But these are all moringas too. This is a cherry tree. I mean, this thing is lined with moringa. Like, moringa is so good for you. It has so many health benefits. More blueberries. Look at this freaking rose garden. Like this. Have you ever seen a freaking rose this? I thought that one was big until this one freaking bloomed. Look how freaking beautiful. And it smells so good. And where?
In the car.
Oh, you got 5?
Nah, 4. Guess me up.
I love a handyman.
You guess me up.
Build me a house.
Guessing me. Why you guessing? You guessing.
I'm not. I'm being so honest. That's so satisfying.
It is. It really is. It's the little shit, man. I'm telling you.
Look at these tomatoes.
Okay, little AK right there. Instead of using salt, we use a little saltfish, you know? Everything gets cut. That's enough right there. Oh, for sure, colorful, y'all. How do you think this one? I don't like it.
Stop. Okay.
Get a good yeah, that is it. Slowly.
Oh.
Slowly. What's different? Everything is different.
Mm-hmm. That's, like, what did you do different to the...
Energy.
Oh my God.
Energy. The energy. You smell it? Easy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.